Pollination is the essential process of transferring pollen from the male part of a flower, the anther, to the female part, the stigma. This is the first step in the fertilization and reproduction of flowering plants, leading to the creation of seeds and, eventually, new plants. Types of pollination. There are two main types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, autogamy and geitonogamy. This occurs when pollen is transferred to a stigma on the same plant. It can happen within the same flower, autogamy, or between different flowers on the same plant, geitonogamy. Self-pollination can be an advantage when pollinators are scarce, but it can limit genetic diversity, making the plant species less adaptable to environmental changes. Cross-pollination, xenogamy. This happens when pollen is transferred between flowers of different plants of the same species. This process increases genetic diversity, which can lead to stronger, more resilient offspring better equipped to survive in a changing environment. This type of pollination typically relies on external agents of pollination. Since pollen can't move on its own, plants rely on various agents or vectors to carry it. These are categorized as either biotic, living, or abiotic, non-living. Biotic agents: insects. Bees, butterflies, moths, beetles, and flies are the most common and important pollinators. Plants attract them with bright colors, appealing scents, and nectar rewards. Birds and bats. Many flowers are specifically adapted to be pollinated by birds, like hummingbirds, and bats, often having a tubular shape and producing large amounts of nectar. Abiotic agents: wind. Plants like grasses and conifers rely on wind to carry their light, powdery pollen. This is a hit-or-miss strategy, so these plants produce huge quantities of pollen to increase the chances of successful pollination. Water. This is a less common method, but some aquatic plants, like seagrasses, use water currents to transport their pollen. For more science videos, subscribe to our channel.